So our topic is habitat restoration for crocodiles and for alligators in the Everglades.
The Everglades National Park is a 1.5 million acre wetland preserved on the southern tip of Florida.
Crocodiles inhabit freshwater. In 1975, the American croc was declared an endangered species and then downlisted to threatened in 2007. Hurricane Irma hit the Everglades August 30th, 2017 to September 13th, 2017, and the Everglades have still yet to recover from the devastation of Hurricane Irma.
As you can see, this is the overview of the Everglades before Hurricane Irma hit.
As you can see, this is the aftermath destruction on the Everglades because of Hurricane Irma.
Ever since Hurricane Irma hit, ecologists have been trying to restore the Everglades back to what it once was.
In the 1970s, coastal development was restricted to a small portion of Florida Bay. Recently, there has been an abundance of crocodiles in man-made canals due to polluted water and freshwater sources.
Crocodiles comprise a variety of large reptiles including alligators, crocodiles, caiman, and gharials found around the world. Many of these species are threatened by leather trade and thus are protected under the Convention of International Trade in Endangered Species of Wildlife, fauna, and flora.
The Everglades National Park is the third largest park in the lower 48 states, covering 2,400 square miles. There's plenty of activities to do in the Everglades, including birdwatching, boating, camping, kayaking, fishing, ranger-led programs, tours, trails, and wildlife viewing. Alligators and crocodiles have lived in Florida's marshes, swamps, rivers, and lakes for many centuries and are found in all 67 countries. In recent years, Florida has experienced tremendous human population growth. Many residents seek waterfront homes and increasingly participate in water-related activities. This can result in a more frequent alligator-to-human interaction and a greater potential for conflict. Under Florida law, it is illegal to kill, injure, capture, possess an alligator or its eggs, or to attempt to do any of those things without a permit. In addition, the law allows wildlife officials to seize any weapons, vehicles, or other equipment used in the violation following a successful conviction in the case.